Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect PayPal to WooCommerce. It's so simple. First of all, you need to move your cursor to plugin and here click on add new plugin. Then here in the search bar we need to type PayPal and just search it. Next you will see bunch of plugins and the one which we need to install is this one right here, payment plugin for PayPal WooCommerce. Just click on install now. Once the plugin is installed, it's time to activate it. So for that click on activate. Once you activate the plugin, just click on WooCommerce here and under WooCommerce you will see the plugin which we have installed. So just click on this plugin now and right here under payments you will see the option connect to PayPal. So click to connect. Next here you need to log in to your PayPal account. If you don't have PayPal account, you need to create one and make sure that the account should be business one, otherwise it won't work. Once you log in with your account, just click on agree and connect and just scroll a bit here and just click on save changes. So now you have successfully connected PayPal to your account and it's time to set up those payment options. So for that click on payments and here you need to again scroll a bit and turn on this option PayPal gateway by payment plugins. Once you turn it on, just click on save changes and yeah, it's that easy to connect PayPal to WooCommerce. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.